cold start. It's about, well, hadn't started in over a week, and it's been inside, so that's cheating. But it has been 20 in the teens and single digits, and the other couple nights ago it was -4. We shall see. It is diesel, so that's not going to help. Do the old starting aid. Hold it. This button here. Oh yeah! She's chooching. She runs. Turbo. Yeah, I think it's like 18 or 20 degrees right now, so, and being inside, that was cheating. All right, I'm gonna do a cold start video of my truck. It's a Cummins. And then I'm gonna do a cold start video of this lawnmower, and I doubt that's gonna start. Well, it's gas, so it probably will. But it's a piece of junk. It has summer fuel in it. It's been sitting since August. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'll put a little 2-stroke engine oil in it and ethanol, or it's got ethanol in it. Anyway. Whatever, this thing's running. Still a little smoke, running rich. You can see my breath. Okay, bye.